Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare tomato curry. First, you'll want to gather all your fresh ingredients, like ripe tomatoes, onions, garlic, and ginger. Next, measure out your essential spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and a touch of chili powder. Finally, ensure you have coconut milk or cream on hand to achieve that wonderfully rich and creamy consistency. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our curry. Begin by sautéing your finely chopped onions in a pan until they turn a beautiful golden brown and release their sweet aroma. Then, add your ginger and garlic paste, cooking it for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in your dry spices, toasting them briefly to unlock their full aromatic potential. This step is crucial for a deep, rich taste. Next, it's time to add the star ingredient. Incorporate your diced or pureed tomatoes into the pan, cooking them down until they soften and release their juices. Then, pour in the coconut milk along with about 1/2 cup of water, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let your curry simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish your exquisite tomato curry, garnish it generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of bright lime juice for an extra zing. Serve your delicious, aromatic curry hot, perhaps alongside fluffy rice or warm naan bread for a complete meal. It's truly a comforting dish. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.